Hello guys, thank you very much for very good response for first video. We'll be very happy to get your new suggestion like one of the trader asked in our query. Please start a new thing that we can trade with proper knowledge. So I'm really happy to tell you that we're starting a new thing that we be calling trading school. In this, we will teach you that you how can you be a better or professional trader in the market, so your trading will be informed trading. So let me talk about the market. Last week in our video we told you about the inflation, the US market inflation numbers. If inflation comes tame, then market take support from 4300 to 4400 level. As it market takes support from 4400 level, as we told you, now it's around 4600. uh, you know, right now some of the client of mine and trader, they are very nervous what to do now. Will market will go again down from here, or will take support from here, or starting a new bell rally? Well, my expectation are little different, because I think the meltdown may start in US from now, or maybe US can take support from here. Because I've been seeing a data about very interesting data in US market. For last 50 years in US market, whenever there be a near election in like right now there is a US election in November 4, there is a election. Let me tell you about the data. For last 50 years, whenever there is a election in US, market has been given decent return of average of 3 to 5% in upper side, and the lowest side is only minus 2.0%. So which theory can be applied now? You tell me which theory can be applied now. So let me tell you straight. If you want to trade long from now, take a stop loss of 4500 and trade long. If market sustain the 4700 level on closing basis and break on upper side of 4800, I think the short term trend will be will be up. But if market break its previous low at 4370 to 4400, then trader should take support, short position in the market with a stop loss. You can say that 4740 to 4800. Let me talk about the long term investor. I have one advice for them. It's your time. Just go ahead in the market and buy something. The medium to long term investor, they have a habit to time the market. I have a suggestion from you all the guys who want to invest in the medium to long term. Never time the market. If you do so, market will never give you time. If you try to time the market, if you just let's talk about the stock specific levels. Let me try talk about the Reliance industry. I'm talking about the investor. For long term investor, just buy Reliance industry at 2100 to 2150 level. It has a very support at 2100 to 2120. If you buy there by 2100 to 2200, when it will go around to 18 to 1900, was towards 18 to 900, you can buy more and average out your price. By Paraj industry, there are very good stock right now for the medium to long term. I will assure you, you will get profit if you buy right now for the medium to long term. My medium to long term is more than 2 to 3 years. So best of luck for your trading, best of luck for your investing, and keep watching for the next video. Thank you very much.